Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blend. I am Gio George. So this week I'm going to share with you guys how to make a black pepper chicken in an air fryer. It is so easy and simple way to do it. So I made this for a New Year party in my house. So all my cousins, they love the recipe. So they've been keep on asking me like where's the recipe, but I didn't got no time to do it. So this week I am going to share with you guys how to make a black pepper chicken. Also I am going to share some video that how do they like the black pepper chicken. After that we could just start making our black pepper chicken. All right, stay tuned.
Super.
Wow, it's really good. It's really tasty, flavorful. Yeah.
Thank you. How's the chicken?
Fantastic. Super delicious. Super.
Okay, and the chicken.
The pepper chicken is amazing.
Thank you.
Great, I want one more piece.
Very good.
Chicken, adipoli.
Alright, so these are the ingredients you need to make our black pepper chicken. The main ingredients is a black pepper. The black pepper I'm using 2 tablespoons. Black pepper you could use the powder, but I will suggest you to use the whole black pepper because when you blend this, the fresh black pepper, it give you like a really good authentic, the flavor. Taste also is more better when you use the whole black pepper. So make sure you use the whole one, or if you can't do it, just use the powder. So you need some curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Salt always use for your taste. Half lemon juice. I took like maybe a small piece ginger. 4 clove garlic. 5 small shallots. If you don't have a shallots, you can use small piece onions. Also, you need a 2 tablespoon plain yogurt and a little bit of cilantro. Next, I am using like 7 pieces of chicken leg quarters, so you guys can see it has been washed and cleaned, but I am using like a really small size. You guys can get the bigger size also, but if you are using the bigger size, increase the quantity of your spices. And if you can get the small chicken leg quarters like this one is more tastier because the meat is going to be like really tender, so make sure trying to get like a small one. Now we have to grind all the spices together. So first I'm going to blend our black pepper. Here we go. This is like a nice powder. Now we're gonna put all the other ingredients and blend it together. Just taste this ingredients and see if you want more salt or anything like that, you can add it. Mine is perfect. Now I am going to apply this to the chicken. Now just mix it to the chicken. Really good. Now our next step is get a fork and poke the chicken like this. Make like a small hole into the chicken. That way all the spices is gonna go inside the chicken and marinate really good. Alright guys, so our marination is done. So now we're gonna keep this one in the fridge at least 4 hours. But if you guys can do overnight, I will always suggest you to keep it overnight because the overnight is gonna give you like really good flavor. Alright everyone, so this is like almost 7 hours of marination. Now I'm gonna put this one in the air fryer. Now set the timer for 15 minutes, 350 degree on air fryer mode. So some of the air fryer, they do have a different temperature. So if you didn't, cook on 15 minutes, you could just change the timing a little bit, up and down. For my air fryer, I always use 15 minutes one side and 10 minutes on the other side. All right, everyone. So it's 15 minutes. So I'm gonna open it. Now I'm going to flip the chicken. As you guys can see, like the other side is not even cooked properly. So we're gonna flip it and put it for 10 minutes on this side. This is ready. All right, everyone, so it's ready to try it now. Let's taste. Look at that, it's so nice and juicy. There you go.
Cake, Daddy. Oh, me too. This chicken is good. I'm gonna eat this.
All right, everyone, this one came out really good. You should try it with your family. It is so tasty. Even the kids love it too. It's not even that spicy because I put only 2 tablespoons of black pepper. If you want to get like a more spicy, you can add some green chili in it, so it's gonna be more hot, but it's so tasty. You should try it.
You're the best cook, Dada.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah. of the chicken.
Okay, that's enough. Well, that was good for you. Put it here.
You are right.
Ha ha ha.
That's mine. It is good, Mino. I love this recipe. Oh my god. Can you make me this one for school?
Yeah.
Go to how many subscribers I got.
Who?
Me.
You got almost 250 subscribers.
What?
That's it. Nobody's subscribing. Tell the people to subscribe the channel.
Subscribe my channel,
So please.
please.
I thought it's gonna be too spicy for my kids, but you know they love it. As you guys can see it, you know they're enjoying it.
I like spicy.
You like spicy?
Yeah. We love chicken. Chicken wing, hot dog and brownie.
This is like a really healthy, you know, dinner at home. I just steamed some, you know, carrot and broccoli. So they love carrot and broccoli, so they can have with the, you know, the grilled chicken. I know I already made like a tandoori chicken in an air fryer before, so it's kind of same, you know, procedure, but the, you know, the recipes are different. So the flavor also is completely different from tandoori chicken. So you should try it yourself and see how good it is. If you try like, you know, same recipe for the chicken all the time, you get tired of it. So sometimes you need to, you know, change your recipe. That way you get like, you know, new flavor, so you don't get bored of, you know, eating the same food over and over again. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also share the video with the friends and family. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.